What up, YouTube? This is like MTV Cribs. Hey, this is gonna be my assistant today. Yeah, just say hello. Say hello, YouTube. We're back. We're back with another video. So this is gonna be a home decor tour of our Halloween decorations. All right, cool. So come on this side. You gotta take your shoes off. Okay, so here is the front door. Our apartment complex, they don't allow you to have anything in front of the door. It's all good because we want to see our decor and we see it way more indoors, obviously. That's why we have the inside of the door decorated. The wreath, we got that from Michael's. It reminds me of the one that's like on West Elm, or Crate and Barrel. I think it's Crate and Barrel, the bougie ass ones. Basically, I got this way cheaper than I would have gotten it from West Elm or Crate and Barrel. It's a little sparkly, it has like the branches, and I wanted something really simple, not anything that's just overwhelming for the door. We got the black web from the Spirit store. It was gonna look empty if we didn't add some bats, some flying bats from Amazon, and they're reusable. They're freaking amazing. I have them for the rest of the place too, but I'll show you guys what we did and how awesome it is because you get to use it every single year. You get to save money, which is freaking awesome. And then this RIP tombstone, we also got this from Michael's and they had like a huge sale. It was drug as fuck. I'm not a big fan of the lighting, but Aaron likes some cheesy shit, so we gotta like make a little, you know, we gotta compromise. So that's why we got the tombstone there. And then we got my platinum over here. It's like, what's up? It's really like in that MTV Cribs vibe right now. We got the other platinum from the back over here, looking like he's doing some robotic shit. Oh yeah, and we got these two patnas from like some knockoff Spirit store. I remember clearly it was like 6 years ago. We're like, oh shit, that's Spirit. And it was like some knockoff, but they tricked us. It's all good though, because they are very cute. Oh my god, Johnny's like freaked out by my lipstick. You like it? It's Mac Scent. Let's check out the rest of the place. Actually, let's do a quick outfit of the day. My heels are killing my feet. This is the Michael Myers sweatshirt from Spirit store, and my jeans are Abercrombie, and my heels are Stuart Weizmann, and they are not very comfortable, but that's okay because I got them from Nordstrom Rack for like half off, so. Oh, and my lipstick, again, like I was telling Domsicle, it is Mac Sin, and I have the liner with Cork. All right, the heels are coming off, guys. I'm not even gonna front and act like I know how to wear those right now. So we wanted to do, or I wanted to do, Aaron, if it was up to Aaron, he would fucking literally not leave one white space open. He would make sure it's all Halloweened out, but I need to make sure that we're like keeping it classy. I chose my walls very strategically. So these are the same black webs that I got from the Spirit store. Did this wall and that wall, but I made sure it's not too much. And this is the best part of the house, which is really all I'm gonna show you guys today. We're not gonna do like an in-depth home tour. This is a Halloween decor tour. So again, the overall vibe that I was going for was sophisticated and spooky and chic. I wanted to look like a grown, sophisticated, classy adult of it, but I still want it to be, I don't want it to be like whack, you know? So simple, but balance is really key. This, I was specifically looking for a gray spider, and actually found it was like grayish, whitish, I guess. This is from Hobby Lobby. That dope ass Michael Myers poster is from Spirit store as well. They had the other dude too. What's the other dude? Jason and oh, I think it was Freddy Krueger, but it just, again, it was gonna be a little too much. If I had like a house, then I probably would have done it, but this is an apartment. We wanna be very mindful about what we're putting up, where we're putting it, and not just like buying a bunch of shit and just like throwing it all up. I specifically wanted white webs here. And you know how there are different types of webs from the store, and this is the kind that's like the one that comes in like a ball and you stretch it out. And it looks more realistic. It looks more like badass. So I like the white here particularly. I feel like those two really complement each other, like the color tone. And if you can see, this blue has some red eyes, so it especially complements the Michael Myers poster. I think it would have been too overwhelming if there were black webs here, so that's why we got white. And over here, we have a very chic, super cute setup. It's for the coffee table. This is a Nordstrom book written by one of the Nordstrom brothers. I got that from my Nordstrom internship. And it just looks cool because it's like gray. I like the black webs on there, again, from the Spirit store. This is just like from Target. It's like a bunch of little critters and I feel like it's a nice touch. And I specifically got this little vase with these black cute skulls from Michaels. I chose to do white webs on these. This candle is actually, it came in a set with another candle, and this was from West Elm. And look at this skull. So again, skulls are a must. Skulls, spiders, webs, and pumpkins and candles. That's like what you need. I specifically wanted something that stood out, like the fact that it's gold and it's different. It's not like the other skulls that I have or the typical ones that you see. Yeah, this is very chic and it just adds some character to the coffee table. Okay, so this part actually looks really sick. This is our bar cart, and although it looks like we drink a lot of alcohol, we really don't. It feels like a chore, you know? So we like want to, but like we just don't. It looks like almost really natural that there are webs, and I chose the white webs just because it looks way better against the gold color bar cart. Yeah, you'll see that we have webs around the bottles. It's like giving Pirates of the Caribbean vibe. I got a few pumpkins over there. The pumpkins, I believe, were from Target. They were super jug. I think it was like $3 a pop. And then this big ass spider and these two skulls also from Michaels. And this is the other West Elm candle that came with the black one. These skulls were also really cheap from Target, and this candle, Hurricane, is from West Elm. Oh, and I know you guys are probably gonna wonder what these decorations look like at night because it's like really, really sick. So we're gonna make sure that at the end of the video, we're gonna insert some clips of night decor. And this guy over here, I'm surprised we don't have a name for him. He's like been with us for years, like from way back when we had our shitty little apartment. Classic. Everyone needs one of these big ass hairy spiders. Again, it's like a one-time buy. Majority of the things are honestly a one-time buy, and you get to just reuse them every year. Just make sure that you have space for it. But this guy, he bends, so you can like, you know, shove his ass under your bed or something to make sure that you have space. This guy looks small, but he's like fucking 15 pounds. And he's killing my arm. Anyways, okay, so what was I saying? Thought it'd be brilliant to put it on the pillar, because like what else are you gonna put on the pillar? And of course we have to put black webs behind it because it complements it. And then here you'll see, if you're a fan, the Sanderson sisters. This is their little notebook. I got that from the Spirit store. And if you guys don't know who the Sanderson sisters are, then shame on you. It is the Hocus Pocus sisters, the witches. This pumpkin, I think I got this from Target or Michaels. It's gonna be perfect for Thanksgiving too. I think it's pretty smart to not have to buy multiple things when you can just, you know, repurpose them. So I really felt like the texture of this pumpkin, it's really different, and you kind of like the same idea with the skull that I have, the gold one. But I felt like this texturized pumpkin looked really good and complemented the notebook here. Of course, we gotta go with chic black roses with like a pop of white color and a spider and just, you know, some fake plants here with the black vase. This is all actually from Michaels, and this is glow in the dark. Cute little bones, and I specifically got this little cup vase thing from Michaels as well. These tall candles, and I have a few of them up and I'll show you guys in a second, but this is from West Elm, and I got these candle holders from Amazon. And again, the little black spider critters are from Target. And then of course, we needed to decorate my baby boy's little penthouse crib over here. It looks like he passed away, God forbid. This little portrait, that's from West Willow. Didn't really do much here because he'll probably freak out and have an issue with it. So we just got, you know, the black stretchy webs, stretch it out over here. And yeah, it looks kind of spooky, but again, we kept it simple because we already got a lot going on in the rest of the place, so we didn't really need to do much here. This part of the house is probably the coolest, and I know I keep saying that. This is where those spiders that were on the front door, I also put them up here and made it look really like natural, as if there were truly a bunch of bats flying. Use double-sided tape, and again, I can use this every single year. Super simple, and the placement was all very strategic. I even created a whole other video of me putting those up, so if you guys want to check that out, it's on TikTok. This is Greg Jr. I call him Greg Jr. because we don't have an adult Greg because we're in an apartment. This guy, we can fold him, but Greg Sr. is like, he's big. Got him from, I believe, Target, and I thought that would be really cute to put this little Target, little centipede through his rib cage. West Elm and Amazon, and stretchy spider web from a spirit store. This is again from Michael's. I love the little branch touch here and like the pampas and a black rose. I wanted to brighten it up a bit with this Target pumpkin that was super cheap. And then the cauldron, this is honestly one of my favorite pieces of decor. You can see that it actually looks like a real cauldron, and I don't like the shitty plastic ones. So this, I came up on this from World Market. And then there's like a little hand coming out. As you can see here, we don't have Tootsie Rolls at this house. We don't do Tootsie Rolls. We buy the good shit. We got Kit Kats and Reese's and the crunch ones, and I've been trying so hard not to eat it because I wanted to film this video first and I'm too lazy to go back to the store. We got the good shit here. This guy, I really don't know. I think this is from like the knockoff spirit store that I was talking about earlier. Pretty sure that's where he's from. But this is a perfect example between this skull and the gold one that I have. It looks way more chic, and this guy can kick it over here. Like, literally every time I'm trying to take content to show the decor, I forget about this fucking fool. This is Craig the Crow. This is Chris. What's up, Craig? Craig is like constantly, you know, on the lookout for us. He's a new addition this year, so we thought it'd be like the perfect placement. That's all of the decor. All right, guys, so that was our quick home decor tour for Halloween. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration. I know a lot of people don't decorate for Halloween anymore these days. Growing up, I was never allowed to express my creativity, so we try to make it a big deal every year, and we put these up immediately so that we could have them up for, you know, the whole month and take advantage of it. We have like these fun traditions too, where we watch a Halloween movie every single night of October. We're gonna be making cookies and decorating them, you know, Halloween shaped cookies. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we will see you guys next time. Happy Halloween!